Vumu PowerUp Information. Your software is on its way. Please allow 10 to 15 minutes for delivery. Do not close this page. Please accept or decline this one-time offer below. Step 1. Begin to order. Step 2. Customize order. Step 3. Order complete. Want to be 100% certain that you'll get results with Vumu? Upgrade to Vumu Business Kit to position yourself as an authority. Work with the best clients and charge premium fee for your products services. Only 50 spots. Here's a scoop of what you're getting today. DFY business website, DFY sales proposal, DFY email swipes, DFY telemarketing scripts, DFY legal contact, DFY graphics banner, DFY business cards, DFY FB ads creativity, DFY rate cards, DFY letterheads, DFY invoice, DFY client contract template, DFY proposal for funnel creation, DFY ad script and copy, DFY proposal for web design, DFY sales video script, DFY client testimonial templates, DFY video proposal script for funnel creation, DFY video proposal script for web design, DFY social media post templates. We literally took care of everything for you. No hidden charges, no recurring. Get everything today for just $47. Important message. Now that you have access to Vumu, you can land a meeting with any clients no matter what industry they are in. You can pitch any service using Vumu campaigns. Everything is ready for you to start landing meetings with the best prospects. Other hand, Vumu Monthly Information is here. You can get coupon code VUMU 10 inches for $10 off. Never worry about clients ever again. Get your hands on this new next-gen client getting hyper-personalization technology to book 20 to 30 meetings with pre-sold clients in less than 14 days without lead generation, cold calling, or spending money on advertising. All 5 stars from customers all over the world, included with your purchase. Live training call. How to make 6 figures with Vumu. You're going to get live training on how to get the best possible results with Vumu. Lead Gen app. Never run out of quality leads when you have this app in your marketing arsenal. Lifetime access to meaningless app. Create how-to videos, FAQ pages, and interactive guides within minutes. Ready to start using this hyper-personalization technology and land 20 to 30 meetings in the next 14 days. One-time investment, no monthly fees, agency rights included today only. Vumu Lite, Vumu Bundle Information. Vumu Agency 100 seats information. Vumu MegaBundle Information. Vumu Commercial Information. Purchase link in my description. So dear friend, if you want to buy these, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.